If you're anything like me and you struggle to sleep and stay asleep, sis, this is what I do every single night. Every single night I do this because I love to sleep. So, magnesium, Core 21, every single night. And bonus, because right now I'm on my period and I get these massive headaches when I'm on my period, and magnesium helps with that too. But magnesium helps with, winding down at night. For me, it's really hard to shut my brain off. I'm like always thinking of something. And every time I get in bed, all of a sudden I have all of these thoughts. Like, where were you at 2 p.m. when I was full of energy? So magnesium helps me wind down at night and actually put myself in a restful state. And then Core 21 is a cortisol reduction agent. So it helps with reducing cortisol and actually staying asleep. So it's not about the time that you sleep. It's about the quality of your sleep. So if you're anything like me, you wake up a bunch of times in the middle of the night. At least that used to happen to me all the time until I started taking these two together. And now when I take these two together, it's not a sleeping pill. They're not sleeping pills, so don't let that scare you. You will still wake up if you hear like a super loud noise, but it just helps you get good quality sleep. And sleep is really important for fat loss. So I do 3 of these tablets of Core 21. This magnesium is so good. It's a strawberry kiwi flavor. And I do this an hour before bed, and I have the best sleep ever. Literally the best sleep ever. Try it.